So we're going to do a room tour. I'm in 1807 at Margaritaville in Lake Conroe, Texas. So as you open the door, you have, let me step back here, have this picture here, place to hang your stuff, and place to sit down and take off your shoes. That is as soon as you walk into the right, or to the left, sorry, the other right. The other right, the actual right, you got a full-length mirror there. And this is a king size, I'm trying to remember what I did. King size bed. I don't think it's a suite. It may be, I think it is a suite now that I'm thinking about it. You got a couch here. It does make into a bed. You got your desk over there, a TV, big size TV. In the desk here you have two USB plugs and two regular plugs. And to get that, you just push it down like that. You have drawers right here. Gives you an idea of how deep that one is. You got your coffee mug over here, coffee area. I love the nautical theme here. And in here is your refrigerator. And then on the other side is your safe and storage there. You have four plugs and you have four plugs and two USB plugs. You have the ice maker, or not maker, but the ice tub. Go into the bedroom, king size bed, a little chair there, and your TV. Now, one remote does both TVs. So, your closet, extra bedding, hangers, good size little closet. You got your ironing board and iron over there. Oh, I didn't even notice that. You have your light for it. Over here you got your alarm clock. Has two USB ports. And you got a plug right there. And look at my view from the room. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. You got a volleyball court, kids pool area, still kids pool area. You have a lazy river. I might get in that later. You have the pool, swimming pool here, and you got the slides. You got another swimming pool over here. And you got the cottages out there, the Land Shark Bar and Grill, and then look at the lake view. Gorgeous. I am on the 18th floor. Look at that, so gorgeous. Alright, so this resort is huge. We're going to go into the bathroom here. You have your shower with your soap, conditioner, and shampoo. on the wall. Rain head. Big mirror, long mirror. You have 2 sinks in here, and I love, look at these. Look at a dolphin's tail to turn it on and off. I love that. That's so cool. So cool. So then you got a drawer here. I didn't show you the drawers in the bedroom there. Got area underneath the sink. Got your makeup mirror. And then your commode over here. So huge bathroom. In the bedroom here, you have no drawers. Again, even this light here is plugged up. 2 USB plugs and 2 regular plugs. Of course, one of them is being used. This chair here can be used as a person to sleep on. Might be rough, but you can use that. So you got 2 here, somebody there, that's 3, and then you got 2 here, so 5 can fit into this room. I love this painting here, the dock. Oh man, but I love the view that I have. Very pretty, beautiful, beautiful view. Unfortunately, the door's not working right, so I'm not able to go out there. Or maybe I just don't know how to use it, but whatever, it's alright. Beautiful view again. So that is the room tour at the Margaritaville Hotel in Lake Conroe, Texas. And with that, thank you for joining me and have a magical day.